Hello YouTubers, today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video of the wireless mouse Logitech G603, which is a gaming mouse and is completely wireless. It is supposed to have a similar performance such as a wire Logitech such as this G403, and as far as the DPI maximum range, it's also rated at some 12,000 DPI, which is very good compared to the fact, or taking into consideration that it is a gaming mouse. So I don't think I need any oh, I didn't need any knife cutter to, oh yes I do, right here, it's right here. So in an effort to unclog my desk, as you can see here, I do have this Logitech keyboard already connected via USB, and they all connect to my ThinkPad Generation 2 Thunderbolt dock, and I have the mouse connected as well, this G403. So it has come, when I'm doing video editing or other things that I'm doing on the desk, this cable gets in the way. As you can see, my ThinkPad dock is right here. This is where I have my ThinkPad T470S, and the cable, there has been times where the cable gets stuck and it gets in the way, and it's beginning to get annoying. So I didn't want to get just any other Logitech mouse, because I wanted to have the experience of performance of a gaming mouse. Although I don't do gaming, but I love the responsiveness and performance that this mouse has, and I also like the ergonomics. It fits full in my hand, and I like the little LED RGB lining. Although the wireless version is not going to have that because it runs on batteries. As far as I know, it should run on two AA batteries. So this is what the boxing looks like. As you can see there, it is a Hero line. I'm gonna get this a little bit closer, and you can see there it reads you know, Hero the next generation, and some other advertisements, exclusive Lightspeed, and battery is supposed to last approximately 500 hours. One neat feature that it has is that it comes with a wireless dongle, but you can also connect it via Bluetooth as well, and it could be linked and paired with the Logitech software. The utility, you can freely download it on Windows, and if I'm not mistaken, on the Mac OS as well, and it could be possible that it could be downloaded as well on Linux. Neatly, it comes with batteries included. So that goes for the saying of when you purchase a product that says that the batteries are not included. Well, in this case, the batteries are included. It brings these two logos, just like similar to the packages of Apple products, so as to reflect the you know, so you can show off Logitech, your Logitech branding. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this logo. I'm gonna put this logo back in the box, and I am going to put the box away. Now I'm gonna continue the unboxing. So I'm gonna go ahead and lift this plastic lever or cover and put it aside, and here is the mouse. It does come with a cable extension in case that I do want to connect it via USB, via a cable. But if I do in this case, it would defeat the purpose as to why I wanted to get it wireless to begin with. The wireless adapter is here, the little dongle, and although it is a Logitech brand, this is not compatible with the unifying adapters that Logitech tends to ship out with their line of regular keyboards and mice. As far as the ergonomics of the mouse, it feels very similar to my my G403. It's just about the same size, And if I turn it around, you can see the branding there. The one on the left is the 603, which is the wireless, and the one on the right is the G403. It has a button here to turn it on, low, off, and this button must be to pair. Now my challenge is going to be how to fit the battery. So I did watch a review out there. So I believe I have to slide this out or in, or push a button somewhere. But I'm gonna find the there it is. So all I have to do, oh, it's magnetic, guys. It's magnetic. It has like a magnetic pull to it, so it just snaps into place. So that's nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and add the batteries now. And it's nice that they included this pair of Duracell batteries. Although I did have spare batteries, I really appreciate that they included the batteries. So the positive node goes here, and the negative on the other side. So this is flipped around. So I'm gonna, it's turned on, as you can see there, and now I am going to just snap it in place. So here is the dongle, and I'm gonna put the rest of the box away now. And here is the mouse. As you can see in the on my computer, I don't have a signal yet. So even if I move the mouse around, I'm not gonna have any it's not gonna do any effect, because I first need to connect this dongle. So I'm gonna connect the USB dongle to my ThinkPad Thunderbolt 2 generation 2 docking station, and I'm gonna fit it right in there. Eventually, when I'm done doing the review, I'm gonna connect it to one of the ports in the back. So my computer now is recognizing the device, and I'm gonna let you know if I have if I do have feedback. Yes, I do. So as you can see here, I'm moving the mouse, and I do have the responsiveness. I'm feeling the responsiveness. Now what I'm about to do is that I am going, okay, my window says that the device is ready. What I'm gonna do now is that I am going to choose which is the best DPI setting for me in my case, and I believe I have just found the right setting. So I have chosen that setting. I do not know, I cannot tell you right now like in numbers what it is, but after I pair the utility, I guess after I pair the utility, I guess it's gonna give me more options. Now this is the utility for Logitech, and I see here that it says no unifying receiver. To add a device, plug in a unifying receiver into your computer. So for some reason or the other, since my USB dongle receiver is not a unifying compatible, it does not recognize it. So I would assume that it's just plug and play. Now, if on the other hand I wanted to connect it via Bluetooth, then I can add that, I can just pair it like any other Bluetooth device. But I don't intend to do that, because I have a feeling that I'm gonna get better responsiveness if I use the provided receiver. Now, unless I saw myself in a situation where I lost that USB receiver and I misplaced it, then I would go ahead and pair it via Bluetooth. But any other how, I don't see any reasons as to why should I do that, because I want to get the best responsiveness out of this mouse. So I really don't see the reason why I need to pair it with Bluetooth. And as far as USB ports, I have plenty of them. I still have lots of USB ports in the back spare, and I intend to unplug it from here and plug it somewhere in the back, because I use this USB port to connect my memory card when I am transferring my video, my video files via a USB memory stick. So I like to have this port open facing me. So anyways, guys, during the next couple of days, I am going to be testing the responsiveness of this mouse. I am going to be comparing it with the current mouse that I have here, which is the G403, but I am satisfied in a way that I can finally free myself from cabling, and at the same time keep the same level of high-end connection and performance that this type of Logitech line of gaming mouse provide. The only downside, or one downside that I can see here, is that unfortunately, since it's wireless, it does not have RGB lining, and it is, for its intended purposes, it makes sense because it would waste the batteries faster, it would deplete the battery faster. But it would have been really nice to include the some sort of RGB lining. Another thing, it would have been nice if the mouse allowed for charging via USB, for it to have an internal battery instead of replaceable batteries. But either way, Logitech did good, because I don't mind having to replace the batteries every 500 hours or so, or even if it was in a lower frequency. But very neatly, it would have been nice, some sort of RGB low power technology lining here. That it would, I don't even care if it would last instead of 500 hours only 200 hours. I would charge it every 2 weeks if that was the case. But anyhow, choosers can be beggars, so I'm satisfied with this. And in the next couple of days, as I said, I'm gonna continue my experience on using this wireless mouse, and I'll be providing you with more feedback. Again, this has been an unboxing video of the Logitech Hero G603, and at the end of the video, in the comments section, I'm gonna leave a description to the link where you can look at all the detailed specification that this mouse offers. And one thing I'm gonna tell you is that it runs on 2 AA pack of batteries. Another thing, it has the optical sensor goes between 200 to 12,000 dpi. And it includes a USB dongle receiver that is not Logitech Unifying compatible, and at the same time it offers also connection via Bluetooth. So in case you don't want to be using one of those USB dongles because you need to use your USB port for something else, you can always connect via Bluetooth. So I'm very glad that I was able to provide this type of content to you, of this unboxing video. Thank you again for watching my videos. Do hit a like and subscribe, and have a wonderful Christmas, everyone.